Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists. Can you guess what today's drawing is going to be? Let me give you a few clues. It has gigantic wheels, carries super heavy loads, and you often find it at construction sites. That's right. Today, we're coloring a mighty dump truck. These incredible machines help build roads, houses, bridges, and so much more. Get your crayons, markers, or colored pencils ready, because we're about to bring this hard-working truck to life with your imagination. Let's start by thinking about what makes a dump truck special. It has a huge boxy bed in the back that tips up to dump out sand, gravel, or dirt. Up front, there's a powerful cab where the driver sits, and underneath are those big, tough wheels, ready to roll over rocks and mud. You can choose any colors you like. Maybe you want a bright yellow dump truck like the ones you see on construction sites, or maybe yours will be rainbow colored with polka dots. This is your art, and your imagination has no limits. Did you know that the biggest dump trucks in the world are taller than a 2-story house? Some of them are as long as a school bus and can carry hundreds of tons of rocks in just one trip. That's like carrying the weight of 50 elephants at once. Isn't that amazing? And guess what? Dump trucks are used everywhere, from small neighborhood projects to giant mines deep underground. As you color the front of the truck, think about its strong headlights and big bumper. Then, you can add details like mirrors, windows, and maybe even a driver inside waving hello. Moving on to the back, you can color the massive dump pad. Here's a fun idea. What if your dump truck isn't carrying rocks at all? What if it's filled with candy, glitter, or even colorful building blocks? You decide what's inside.
Purple.
Oh, and here's another fun fact. Some dump trucks are so advanced, they can drive themselves using GPS and computers. Imagine a giant truck rolling along with no one behind the wheel. Science and technology make it possible. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell so you never miss an adventure. We have so many more fun coloring videos waiting just for you.
Light blue.
Now, back to our drawing. Don't forget those massive tires. You can make them black, grey, or even green if you want. And you can add cool designs on the truck, like stripes, stars, or your initials. Maybe even draw a construction site in the background with cranes, piles of dirt, or other trucks hard at work. Here's a little challenge. Can you count how many wheels your dump truck has while you color them? Most dump trucks have 6, but some extra large ones can have 8 or even 10. See if you can spot them all on your drawing. And here's a fun fact you can share. Dump trucks have been around for more than 100 years. The very first ones were tiny compared to today's massive machines, and they were pulled by horses before engines were invented. Look how far we've come.
Orange.
Alright, little artists, take your time and make your dump truck as colorful and unique as you want. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Whether it's a bright red truck with sparkly wheels or a multicolored one carrying a rainbow load, your creation will be amazing. We've had so much fun today bringing this dump truck to life.
Yellow.
you enjoyed coloring with us, make sure to come back for more awesome videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our next coloring adventure. We've got so many cool surprises coming up, and we'd love for you to join us again. So, are you ready to show off your masterpiece? Hold it up high, give yourself a big round of applause, and get excited. Your dump truck is ready to roll. See you next time, little artists, and keep coloring your world full of imagination.
Coloring coloriendo.